Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at how we can change text on click like this. And before we get into that, we'd like to thank all our subscribers. Your support really means a lot to us. Let's go. Okay, so now we have things really ready. So what we have here is basically the display text here. So I created a variable. So this is the display text and also an array of strings here that we want to display. Now there's a few ways to go through with this to change the text on click. So what we do is one of the ways, simple ways of the way I'm going to show you. There's other ways like when you retrieve information from the server or from any other sources. When you're retrieving, you can actually change the text through that way also. So do let me know in the comments if you would like me to show you how to do that. So now we'll get into how we do it through this way. So what we do is what we can do here is we can add a sized box. Again, this is just more for spacing here. Create elevated button, give it a text. Now you can see it comes as a simple button here. If you want to see how you can style it, you can check out my other video. The link is in the description on how you can style buttons. So here what we'll do, we'll put in a function here, change text. So it'll show an error now because we don't have the function made. So what we do, we click, we type void change text. Now this function name can be anything of that you want, but we use change text here. So what we do is we have to call the set state method. Now set state basically says that you're going to set the value for that particular state of the app. So in order to use that, you must make sure you type it as per the syntax here. So what you do is you put in your string variable here, which is the display text that you want to change, equals to. Now we have the string array here, so what we'll do, we'll type string and then we'll go random next int string dot length. Okay, import dart.net here. Okay, now what this does is basically it's going to loop through the array that we have here and randomly call out the numbers, so that the strings, so that way the string will automatically be set here. So again, another thing here, set state is only available in a stateful widget, so bear in mind you need to have a stateful widget to use set state, and then you just set your variable here and what you want to set. So now if you're calling something from a URL or from another file, you can assign that variable here. But for today, we're just using this as an example. So once we save that, now if we click, it should change this. So you can see now it changes every time we click. So you can use this in many other ways. You can maybe put in a text input for your user to key in any text, and then when they click press, it's stored in a variable for them to display here. So today is just a simple example. So do let me know what else you would like to learn, and see you guys in the next video. And we've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We'll see you guys in the next video. You know what? You guys are awesome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, as it helps us tremendously. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.